Simon, what do you think?
I love it. Changed my life.
When did the hair begin? This is Simon. He's 50 years old and 7 months ago had a hair transplant. It was a follicular unit excision, 2,500 grafts to the anterior scalp. This is what he looked like previously. You can see that he has a Norwood 5 pattern, and we transplanted the anterior one half of the scalp, as you can see with the demarcation there. This is what Simon looks like 7 months later. He's not on propecia and he's not using Rogaine. So you can see the hair here. You can just look straight there, please. Simon, just look straight here. Okay, so you can see here, it's a natural hair line. It's high density, especially when you think about it, it's only 7 months. Can you turn your head towards me, sir? Rotate your head. Down a bit. Just enough. You can see here it's a very good regrowth for the area that was transplanted. Simon, what do you think?
I love it. Changed my life.
When did the hair begin to grow back?
After about 4 months.
It began to grow back at 4 months, and now you're 7 months post-op.
Yeah.
And the density is very good for 7 months. You're not using propecia. The hairline is very natural. Have people noticed?
Everybody, for sure.
And made you feel good about it?
Confidence is through the roof.
What else would you say to anybody thinking of a hair transplant?
Definitely recommend Sure Hair.
What did you think of the doctor and the staff?
Everybody was very professional, took care of you throughout the whole procedure. No problems at all. Even after the procedure, I was called very frequently to make sure I was doing everything properly. All the instructions were given to me daily. Couldn't ask for better service.
And you're all the way from Montreal, so are you glad you came to Toronto?
Absolutely.